Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fill table cells with color in Google Docs. This is really useful if you want to highlight information, make your table stand out, or create professional-looking documents. Let's get started. First, go to Google Docs and open the document where your table is located. Next, use your mouse to highlight the table cells you want to add color to. Right-click on the selected cells and from the menu, choose Table Options. A panel will appear on the right. Under Cell Background Color, click the drop-down arrow to open the color menu. Now, pick the color you like, and it will instantly fill your selected table cells. To add color to other cells, simply repeat the same process. You can also customize your table further by changing the border color. Just click the border color drop-down and select your preferred shade. And that's it. You've successfully filled your table cells with color in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching.